Hi everyone, this is Samuel from Zoom. The R4 MultiTrak is a recorder designed to capture your most ambitious compositions. To help with this, the R4 has effects to enhance your audio and a rhythm track that you could play along with. The R4 has two types of effects. The track effects include a 3-band EQ, reverb, and echo. These effects can be applied to each track individually. If you bounce your tracks with the effects activated, they'll be applied to the audio on the bounce. You can adjust parameters of the echo and reverb in the settings menu. Input effects can be applied to input A or the built-in microphone at the time of recording. You can select two effects. Slot 1 contains preamp, guitar amp, and bass amp emulations. Slot 2 contains emulations for compression, distortion, chorus, filters, and more. While recording and listening to playback, you can choose to activate the rhythm track. There are over 80 patterns, including beats from nearly every genre of music and standard click tracks to choose from. There is a tempo and volume adjustment available. When the rhythm track is activated, the timeline on the main meter screen switches from real time to bars and beats, so you can more accurately scrub through your project. There's also a pre-count that you can activate to create a 2-measure count before recording begins. For more information about the R4, check out the other videos on our YouTube channel and visit our website, zoomcorp.com. Good luck and enjoy creating!